how to open and how to make a key for padlock. Schleck keyway. Gotta put the key in, unlock, and inside there's the screws. You gotta open it, unlock it. There you go. It comes out. It'll come out with that small piece. You shouldn't lose it. Make sure you keep it. There's a tail piece. You have to unlock it. There you go. Gotta move it. See what I did? Move it completely out. Now you put the black key, turn it. There's a security pin right over here. See that? You gotta click it and push it out. There you go. Not all the way. Okay. And then you gotta push it out slowly. And throw all the pins out. And as you can see, I made a key for it. Now we're gonna push it back in. Push the security pin right here and push it all the way in. There you go. Made a key for it. And now we're gonna install everything back on. We have this tail piece right over here. Gotta go inside here. Just like this. It has to be straight, just like you see. And then the security. Push it in. There you go. And then this piece over here will make us basically keep the key inside when you want to lock it. I'm going to put it in. There you go. As you can see. See, it's right over here. You got to make sure it doesn't fall. You put the original key to it. Hold it. Take the lock and put it to his direction. Go inside. Turn. Lock is in. And just screw it back in. Lock is in. There you go. See what happened? So the key will not come out. Perfect. That's the company. If you have any questions, give us a call. Hey guys, I'm going to show you one more thing. So when basically, if you want to keep the key always out, the padlock, without having it actual lock, you will have to take that pin away. As you can see here, I'm going to click it. See what happened? I let you take the key out. But if you always want to take the key out, no matter what, even if you don't lock this, you will have to take that small pin I showed you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good day.